going on, fam? So I wanted to share with you guys how my products, all the mods that I've done on the car, how they are doing so far. As far as with the heat, 100 degrees for the past couple days and everything, the storm, the weather. So still everything is good. The VHT nightshade on the tail lights is smoked out, is nice. This is still good. The duckbill rear spoiler still hanging in tight there. So the VHT nightshade on the what's it called? Exhaust tips still good. Just a little dust on top. That's all. Still good. No issues. Not peeling off or anything, or cracking or drying up. Still glossy. The red vinyl I had installed. It had small bubbles in it before, but with the sun and the heat a little bit, they're gone. So it's perfect. Worked out well. And then everything is still good as far as the rear spoiler. It's still good, so it's not coming off or anything. It's still tight. It's perfect. And I was concerned about, well, not this, but this is good too. It's not coming off. Even the window visors not peeling off from the sides or anything. Still perfect. It's been like a few months now I have them installed. I was concerned mostly about the sides, the red. The 3M behind it is really nice. Like that same night I installed it, it actually rained, so I thought it actually would come off, but it didn't. And I drove through water and this rain and everything with a storm. No issues, didn't come off at all. But I did give it a day to dry, overnight, to dry up and stick really good. And it's still there, so it's perfect. It's working out great. As far as the accent and everything on the red, still good. The small bubbles came off with the heat, with the sunlight by itself. And still, you see, this is still perfect. It's not peeling off, it's not coming off, it's stuck. So, and then the front, it's all good. Even the side mirror, the red accent is still there. And the front chrome delete, I did it with a PLASTIDIP. And it's still good. There's no scratches, no fade or fuzzy looking or dried up or blurred. I don't know, but it's still the same the way I installed it. I had about, I don't know, I think maybe possibly 8 coatings on there to keep it solid. And then front lip is still there, no scratches, nothing at all. The tint, the pre-tint, smoke high beam light headlights, still good, no issues. And yeah, so far everything is looking great. And if you notice, see on this side is not coming off as well on the wheels, so it's perfect. If you notice, the car looks clean. It's a little bit dirty, but I have that new product I showed you guys, my recent car wash that I did. That's what's keeping it clean like this. It's been a month I didn't wash it, but that product is amazing. Like, the shine is still there. There's no water spots too much, just a little bit, that's all. But the sides are really clean. You can see I haven't washed it for a month. And same as the top is where you'll see the most. So this is the most you'll get from it. Still some water spots, not water spots, but yeah, from the rain a few hours ago. But yeah, definitely all the links are in description for all these things I got on the car. And especially, I'm just surprised with that red around the wheels. It's not coming off. It's perfect. I even drove like 70-80 miles per hour to see if it would peel off from some point, but it didn't. So it's perfect so far, and I really love it. And yeah, stay tuned. Getting a K-tuner soon. Hopefully one of my friends will help me install it. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon bell to support the channel. And yeah, so links are in description below for everything. And thanks for supporting the channel.